Hey there! Thinking about whether to rent or buy a home? You're not alone. It's one of the biggest financial decisions you'll ever make. So let's break down the pros and cons of each to help you decide what's best for you. First, let's talk about renting. Renting a home comes with a lot of flexibility. You're not tied down to a property or mortgage, so if you need to move for a job or just want a change of scenery, it's much easier. Plus, maintenance and repairs? Not your problem. That's on the landlord. But renting has its downsides too. For starters, you're not building equity. The money you pay in rent is gone, and you don't see any return on it. Also, rent prices can increase, sometimes unexpectedly, making it harder to budget. And then there are the restrictions. Want to paint your walls or get a pet? Better check with your landlord first. Now, let's move on to buying a home. One of the biggest advantages here is building equity. Every mortgage payment you make increases your ownership stake in the house. Over time, your home can appreciate in value, potentially giving you a nice profit if you decide to sell. Plus, there are tax benefits. Mortgage interest and property taxes are often deductible. And let's not forget the freedom to make your space truly your own. Want to knock down a wall? Go for it. However, buying isn't without its challenges. Homes are expensive, and the upfront costs can be significant. Down payments, closing costs, home inspections, it all adds up. And then there's the responsibility. Maintenance, repairs, and property taxes? That's all on you. Plus, if the market takes a downturn, your home's value could decrease, potentially putting you underwater on your mortgage. So, which is better? Well, it depends on your personal situation. If you value flexibility and lower upfront costs, renting might be the way to go. But if you're ready to settle down and invest in a long-term asset, buying could be the better choice. Remember, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. Take your time, weigh the pros and cons, and make the decision that's right for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on home buying and personal finance. See you next time.